Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my toolkit for when I drive RCs. It says art bin because it was actually a art box, but I turned it into an RC, as you can see. First up, we have an opening lid, just random screws and things in there and carabiners. Snaps on tightly. And as you open it, it goes to all this. Some shocks for my W old toys. I have to get some new ones. Some servo grease or oil, whatever you call it. Some Y connectors, Gorilla Glue, and other things down there. Spare battery tray thing, and then some zip ties. And then it lifts up, and we have some tools that come with the stock vehicle. Some foam pads down there, some body holders with body protecting things, and then we have some extra screws and things that we have, and then under it we have an old, whatever that is, extra shock stuff, yeah, just random crap, and then we have these separators that can go on top, and then we have some spare parts in there, stock ones. Because I upgraded some of the to newer things from those. And then we have some whatever you call those, I don't know, hold the wheels on. And then down here we have some of the plastic shock caps, and then we have my Traxxas toolkit, and then some wrenches or whatever you call them, wire cutters too. And sometimes I store wheels down here. It just depends on where I'm going and stuff. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is my toolkit.